Hello swappers, today I'm going to be guiding you through the process of making a SwapinPay transaction. SwapinPay allows you to use your crypto to pay any fiat invoice, whether that's rent, your new phone, your car, your bills, or even a new home. And it also allows you to send money to others, such as your family, your friends, and even pay employee salaries in fiat using crypto. While you can use SwapinPay to send money to yourself, we recommend you use SwapinGet, as that has lower fees when you're converting crypto to fiat in your bank account. So now that you know all about SwapinPay, let's go through the process of how you can complete a SwapinPay transaction. You'll want to log in to your Swappin account and scroll to the SwapinPay section and click on Pay with Crypto button. Now you'll need to enter the details. You'll choose the fiat currency for the recipient. Currently we support euros and British pounds. You will then enter the amount of fiat you want to send and the crypto that you want to use for the payment. You'll enter the recipient's name, their SEPA bank account, the IBAN number, and their address. And also make sure to include a payment description for your reference. Then click the Continue button to proceed, which will take you to Transfer Crypto step. Here you will just need to transfer the cryptocurrency from your crypto wallet to the provided wallet address. And for that you have three options. You can manually copy the wallet address and start the transaction from your wallet, or you can scan the QR code with your wallet app to initiate the transaction. Or lastly, you can click Connect Wallet to link your wallet to the Swappin app, which will then trigger an automatic transaction confirmation request. As you can see, a timer is displayed indicating a 30-minute lock on exchange rates for your transaction. This just ensures that the recipient will receive the exact invoiced or planned amount that you wanted to send. If, however, the crypto is not sent within 30 minutes, the screen will update with the new amount of crypto based on that current exchange rate. Now, once the cryptocurrency is sent, you'll just click I sent the crypto button and you'll be moved to a waiting for crypto step. At this step, we're just waiting to receive your crypto, which typically takes a couple of minutes, and then the screen will automatically update as soon as the crypto hits the provided Swappin wallet address. When the crypto arrives, you will see a message saying crypto received. And from there, the crypto to fiat conversion and then the fiat transfer to the provided bank will take place. In most cases, if your recipient's IBAN supports instant SEPA, it takes less than 5 minutes. And once the payment has been received in the recipient's bank, you will then see a message saying transaction completed, and the process is done. Super fast and easy. I hope that this has been helpful for you. If you have any more questions still about using SwapinPay, just feel free to leave them in the comments below or contact customer@swappin.com. I will also link our FAQ and our help guide in the description below if you need more assistance. And from my side, happy swapping!